Imagine turning everyday organic objects around you into a mesmerizing living art. Hello, I am new media artist Yuxi Cao. I will be teaching you how to capture these objects and transform them into an immersive particle visual experience. I will break down how real-world objects are captured, cleaned, and prepared as a digital asset for particle-based compositions. Turn scanned 3D or 2D asset into evocative, particle-driven compositions using Touch Designer, Unity, and Unreal Engine. Translate digital works into a real-world installation through a spatial technique like projection mapping and blur the boundary between screen and space. I am excited to help you unleash your creative potential by impacting my knowledge to the next generation of artists and help you create a breathtaking art from the world around you. I am Yuxi Cao, a new media artist, and I will be waiting for you at the close-up.